Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and here I am with a quick mini review on the newly launched Lakme Makeup Plus Skincare Vitamin C Super Glow Skin Perfecting Tint. And without any further ado, let's get started. So the product is going to cost you rupees 399. You get 25 ml of product and you have 12 shades to choose from. Yes, you heard me right, 12 shades you have to choose from. So before I get into the application and how the product performs and is it a fully approved product, let's just talk a little bit about the packaging. So packaging is pretty standard compared to any liquid foundation Lakme has. I really like that they did happen to change the applicator here, because in the last product they happened to put a doe foot applicator, which apparently wastes a lot of product, and then you don't even have a control how much product you need, and it does not even take up product from the bottle. So I'm really happy that they went back to the original applicator, and this is pretty good. You thoda sa nikalo, face pe directly lagao, and there you have it. It does not even create mess, and you have a right amount of product onto your skin. So the applicator is really nice. You have all the data mentioned onto the bottle, from expiry, manufacturing, pricing, and the amount of product you get in here, and the shade name written right on top. The shade I wear is N340, that is neutral almond. When you see it in the bottle, it seems pretty dark, and even when I put it onto my skin, it looks very dark. But when I blend the product, surprisingly, magically, the product just blends rightly onto my skin and matches my neck, and I really don't have to put any sort of product onto my neck. So it is like a perfect match to my skin, but in the bottle it definitely seems pretty darker, because when I picked up this product, so when I received it, I was like, oh, did I just go heavily wrong with the shade? But no, when I just did the first application, I was like, wow, it just vanished magically. So the shade, I felt one shade can actually complement 4 to 5 different skin tone which are very much closer to each other. So this shade can actually complement people who are NC 40, 42, 41, 44, 45 also. So go to the store, match yourself, and then decide which shade is made for you. But this definitely matches me perfectly well. So before knowing a little more about the product, brand clearly says Vitamin C Super Glow. So they have tried to get a little skin care with the makeup, just to add that brightness and take care of your skin and give you a little bit of nourishment. That is why that vitamin C is available in this product. Just assume it, this is what you are going to achieve, is a little bit of nourishment as well as a little bit of brightness into your skin. Now getting back to the tint itself. Now it says tint, and I'll tell you, in a very long time I felt after Colourpop, this is the brand which actually gave me a tint when it says tint, because a lot of brands, they launch tint, but you are getting somewhat more of a foundation, a little more medium coverage foundation. But here you are definitely getting a tint, and when you apply this product, you do not feel that you applied anything. So it's super light, very comfortable, and it just sits beautifully onto the skin. Shade matches me perfectly. So if you get the right shade, then this is going to be your like daily product. You can wear this to your office, even if you're just generally going out with your friends or anyone, you can wear this product as a beautiful base. It definitely gives you that airbrush finish with a light to medium coverage. Coverage is subjective because this is not a foundation, it's a tint. So it definitely depends on what kind of skin you have, what all imperfections you have, and how much this product can hide. For me, it definitely does a pretty good job. I never generally apply a concealer. With this also, I never felt so. It is definitely not a foundation, but it just gives me that airbrush base, wherein when I apply my other product, it just sits beautifully. So it is definitely a light to medium coverage tint. Very important, the longevity on this product is good. It sustains easily up to 8 hours, because I have worn this tint straight up to 8 to 8.5 hours, and I did not have to go with any touch up. It is definitely all skin type. Since I'm a combination to oily skin and a super sweaty skin, this product really held well. So yes, it is made for all skin type, because if it is supporting oily skin and a sweaty skin, dry skin, you're gonna love it, because it's not a super matte tint. It is a very comfortable formula which will definitely have that hydration going on, but not showing up onto your skin, and it will not lead to skin texture enhancement, because a lot of tint can do so. So this product does not enhance your texture, does not flake up during the day, and do not disappear or give you an uneven skin after certain hours have passed by. So the formula is really well done. Now talking about the blendability of the product, it's super quick. Product को थोड़ा सा skin पे लगाओ, बहुत ही liquidy product है, palm पे मत लेना, it will start slipping here and there. Just put it directly onto your skin, take your brush, blend the product, and there you have it. Can you go with the second layer? Yes, you can definitely. Still you will not feel that you applied a tint onto your skin, and you will have a nice light to medium coverage. So blendability is super amazing, super easy to work with the product, and you cannot go wrong with this interesting product by Lakme. So yes, blendability, thumbs up, pigment is thumbs up, number of shade is thumbs up, and the way it sits onto the skin, the longevity is also thumbs up. So all in all, this product is fully approved by me. If you were interested in a good skin tint, so Lakme has it, very own Indian brand, and it's pretty affordable for $399. So it is a fully approved skin tint by Lakme. And there you know all about this interesting product by Lakme. I'm so amazed that Lakme got us a beautiful product like this and a perfect tint for every day. You can even use it for evening functions or in general also. If you are a person who likes to enjoy no makeup look, this will definitely add up to your makeup routine. Though I will be leaving a link in my description if you are interested in grabbing the product. Do so. If you really loved watching this interesting mini review, consider giving a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram @bronzinggeek5. I will see you in another interesting video. Till then, you take care and ta-da!